So next one. So we are appending all these values to this variable. So then my obj array of I. So then plus. So we are giving some small space. So then after that, this is the another method. So next one is the JSON string file, JSON format. So another way is the JSON format. Then how we can do? So where let my JSON equal to JSON dot string file. So then my obj. So can all these values can display in JSON format. So then now you can see. Then console.log. So then here it is my JSON. Okay, now you can see it.html. Line number 24. My web page. Okay, see email we are accessed. So then this is the JSON format. So we are not displayed this one, right? So we can use the document dot, right? Then my res. Okay. Now you can see what is happening. Okay, complete my OBJ is defining, right? So that's why it is displaying. So Teja live tracks 30, Teja is displaying. So another one is the function is displayed. Okay. So these three ways we can display the JavaScript objects. Okay. Next one is the constructor, object constructor. Methods we already discussed. Same thing, it is a constructor. But so this constructor, how we can previously we are defining a constructor or method inside of object. But this method I want to access, I want to create a method separately. Then after that, I can create a object. Okay, I want to create an object. So then now you can see js81.html, removing all these confusions, remove, say JavaScript, object, constructor, Then how that is constructor means? So function, okay. So my function. So this is a constructor. So inside I want to create a I want to create a properties. How we can create? So first suppose I have to create a object for this one. Let my obj equal to new of what is this one? My function. So then inside, so I am passing the dynamic values. I am passing the dynamic values. Okay, these are then these are line tracks. So then after that right? So it is 30. Then email is teja at mail.com. Okay, so then this is a first parameter, either you can call it as name, comma, age, comma, then mail. These three parameters. Okay, these three parameters I am passing to that object dynamically. So then this dot name equal to name. Then after that, this dot age equal to age. Then this dot email equal to mail. Okay, so these three are the properties. Okay, now if you can access this one, console.log, console.log my obj, my obj. You know, okay, these are the values, right? So then first, suppose if you want to add console.log my obj1, I want to create another object. Let my obj1 equal to new of, so my function, then okay, ui, comma, so three values, right? Can create pvrit, so then so 35, so then pvrit at mail.com. Okay, so this is another object. Now you can see three. Okay, so this way we can create dynamically, we can append the values to my function, my constructor or method. Okay, so we can append the values dynamically using this way. Okay, clear? So this is the up to object constructor. So the next one is completed. JavaScript accessing, and then this one also completed. Accessing JavaScript completed. Name loop, values and string file. Here one thing is missing. Prototype object accesses. Yes. So from here we can access, right? So here we are having another method called previous, where here up to we are discussed, right? String file. So we are having another method called document dot write my obj dot values. 80. By undefined string. Capital values. Object dot values of my obj. Okay, so same how we can get the document, right? Same thing we are getting. All right, so this is the way we can access. We are removing this one. We are commenting, so then we will get proper data. See, br. Okay. So what are the methods? First one, access by property name. Second one, access by foreign law. Third one, object dot values method. Object dot values method. Another one is JavaScript string file. Okay. So these are the things. So next one is after values string file discussed. So object. This one is a constructor. Just now we discussed. Just now we discussed this one, right? Then next one is object constructor prototype accessories. Object accessories. So what are they? We are having two different type of accessories. We are having two different type of accessories. One is get accessories, set accessories. Okay, getters and setters allows you to define the object accessories. Get and set. We can set the value and we can get the value. Set the value and get the value. These two type of accessories we are having in the JavaScript objects. Okay, getters and setters. Okay, then how? You can see the example how we can get the value and how we can set the value. 81. So then JS 82.html JavaScript accessories. Get and set. Okay, get and set. Now this is okay. So this way also we can create an object, right? So then how we can get the value? How we can get the value inside of this one? So then get get for suppose here name is fname and this dot lname equal to, so then here it is fname and lname lname. Okay, here fname comma lname. Okay, we are having four parameters here. Teja is the fname and live tracks is the lname. Live tracks is the lname. Here bvrit and Hyderabad. This is the second name, that means lname. Okay, so then how we can combine this one? How we can combine? That means if we want to combine this one, so we have to get that value, right? We have to get the first name and last name, right? So then get full name. Full name is a method. Okay, so then inside or return, so what keyword we have to use? So we have to get the f name and l name. So then this dot f name plus some space. So then again this dot lname. Okay, so then I'm getting this one. Of name equal to of name colon, then comma, so then L name colon L name comma, cannot use the functions here. Let my obj equal to, sorry, my obj equal to, so then f name colon, so then Teja, comma, then L name colon live tracks, then comma, yes colon 30, comma, email colon mail Teja at mail.com. Inside of this one, get full name equal to full name, sorry, say method, right? Get and setters are methods. So then inside are written this dot, are written this dot f name and space plus this dot l name. Okay, so we are getting the f name and l name and appending to the full name method, appending to the full name, right? So then how we can access this one? So document dot get get element by id, so then here inside obj result dot inner html equal to my obj dot my obj dot full name, no errors, then we can see 82.html. Okay, these are live tracks. We are get the name and appending to this method, full name method. Okay, clear? So the next one is the, so this way we can get them. So then how we can set a value? How we can set a value? For suppose here I have a empty lang equal to lang equal to sorry lang colon empty. I want to set some value to this one. I want to set some value to this one. How I can set set okay, language method. So then this dot lang lang equal to value, equal to value. Okay, so I have to pass the value to this one. Okay, I have to pass the value. So if you won't pass any parameters, so this will give the error, because of I have to pass this argument. Okay, compulsory I have to pass the arguments value. So then again, what is the value here? So my obj dot language language equal to okay, why it is getting. Sorry. Here, my OBJ dot language Telugu I'm setting. Okay, so then now I'm calling this lang value. Okay, so initially nothing is there. So then after that I set the value to this lang attribute. Now you can, okay, clear. Creating another file, js83.html, pasted here. Then 83.html. Okay, Telco I set. Right. So this way we can set the values and get the values using the object. So these two are called the accessories. So we are having two type of accessories. One is get and another one is set. Get method. So if you want to access the object values, so we can use the get method. So if you want to set any new value, so then we can use the set accessories. To set the values, we can use the set accessories. So these two are the get and set accessories. Okay. The next one, iteratable. Iteratable. So another one. So we are having only one iteratable. So that is uh, for half. Same thing for in how it was. So same thing. So this one also for half method. For suppose if you are having the one variable, so then it will iterating, it will separate the all the characters as an either array or separate. So then we can see JavaScript iteratable. We are having only one loop per of. Okay. So hope we discussed the previous this one. JS84.html. So then top type. So then HTML. So then head. So then title. JavaScript iteratable. Iteratable method. Okay. So then inside body, then script. Inside let we have a name equal to Teja live tracks. Okay. So then let same way res equal to we are creating this one. Then after that for let I of name of name. So then res plus equal to equal to. So then what is I plus. So then we want to display one by one. So then you can give the br document dot get element by id result dot inner html equal to res. Okay. So then here we have to create a div h3, then id equal to result. Okay. So then here h2 JavaScript iteratable method. Okay. 84.html. See now. So it is displaying so one by one. Okay. So it is repeating how many elements are there inside, how many characters are there inside of that variable. So that many times it is repeating the loop. Okay. So this is the iteratable statement. Okay. So these are the object methods we are having inside of the JavaScript. Okay. Clear? So then, so from tomorrow onwards, we can discuss the DOM elements. We can discuss the DOM elements. We are having another 3 or 4 classes in the JavaScript. Okay. So then after that, we can start the jQuery. Okay. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No doubts? Okay, then we will connect tomorrow. Thank you.